Can you imagine them and then bring in school bus in the country and have the door for the children to enter and exit the bus on the side of the road that the children will be exiting to traffic? Mind you, I'm someone who supports the school bus system, and I have heard more than once, and even recently Darva said that the school buses were retrofitted and the doors were put on the proper side. That's just me introducing to the video. This video is really about someone commented on one of my videos saying that they wanted to hear my thoughts, and if the taxi operators and Jamaicans in general, will they respect the school buses, as in will they stop when the stop sign on the buses come out and the flashing lights, etc., etc. For me, I would say no. And reason why I say no is because the school bus initiative, to me, honestly, was a rushed job. It wasn't something that was planned by the government, and if it was planned, it wasn't properly planned. To me, it is something that was hurriedly done in order to get some political points. And again, I'm someone who is on record defending the school bus and left, right, and center. So I'm not against it. So hold yourself in together. Don't go off. But it was definitely not planned properly, or it wasn't planned any at all. Reason being, again, because if this was planned, the government, again, wasn't planned, or it wasn't planned properly, right? So if it was planned, or if it was planned properly, they would have, before the buses even enter the country, right? They would have been putting out advertisements and going on an education campaign to educate our pedestrians and our road users or drivers, so forth, to say that, hey, these school buses will be coming into the country in this month, etc., this time frame. You will be expected to stop when these buses stop and you see this stop sign come out. And even if the stop sign does not come out, if you see the flashing red light, you are supposed to stop when you see these buses. But because they didn't do this, because to me, I don't think they were planning this far ahead. I think it was a last minute ditch, right? They didn't do this. So now we're gonna have citizens, we're gonna have road users, drivers, taxi operators who do not know how these buses operate, and will simply, when these buses stop, will try to go around them just like how they do on a normal basis. So because they didn't go on this educational campaign to educate our road users, they will not be respecting it. It will take a few years or more, if any at all, before the road users will be respecting the school bus initiative. And again, let me just reiterate, just to conclude, I'm not against the school bus initiative. I am with it, right? However, based on the rollout, I think it wasn't planned any at all. It was a last minute ditch for political points, or it wasn't planned properly. Those are just my thoughts. What are yours? Ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. I want to hear from you as usual.